This one goes better with the walls.
This is so much easier than the home improvement store.
So which would you recommend?
Do you like brown? Hey.
Yeah, some things are just better at home. With Empire's Home Floor Advantage, you can compare samples in your own space. Plus, I'll be here to help you with every step of the process.
And do you remember trying to figure out pricing and installation?
There's the measurement fee, delivery fee, restocking fee, convenience fee.
And installation.
Oh, no, that's not my department.
We have clear, all-inclusive pricing, no surprises, and installation is on your schedule. It could even be installed tomorrow.
Call or visit EmpireToday.com and get the Home Floor Advantage.
It really is better at home.
800-588-2300. Empire Today.